ADMA OPCO, on behalf of the ADNOC Group of companies, is committed to the safety of staff working across the United Arab Emirates at both offshore and onshore locations. With the upcoming increases in projects and production and the associated increase in population at risk, the Abu Dhabi Emergency Support Committee for Offshore Operations recommended ADMA OPCO initiate a separate contract for a helicopter emergency medical services for all ADNOC Group of companies. Following a tender process, a contract was awarded to Abu Dhabi Aviation and National Ambulance. Under the new contract, Abu Dhabi Aviation will provide a dedicated new Bell 412 EP helicopter, and National Ambulance will provide a HEMS paramedic crew. Abu Dhabi Aviation was formed in March 1976 with only 2 aircraft. The company has a proud history of supporting the ADNOC Group of companies and has been a key supplier of excellent aviation services. Abu Dhabi Aviation currently operates 8 Bell 412 and 2 Augusta Westland 139 helicopters and 4 Dash 8 fixed-wing aircraft in support of the ADNOC Group. Abu Dhabi Aviation is extremely proud of its safety record, which has achieved international recognition through the Helicopter Association International. National Ambulance was established by the Ministry of Interior together with Aspen Medical, an internationally recognized healthcare organization with experience in the Australian oil and gas sector. The HEMS team is clinically supported by a dedicated 24/7 call center with physician support. An integrated electronic patient care record is directly linked to the HEMS Ops Center, providing real-time patient updates. This call center is the single point of contact for emergency case activation. Once the call is received from the authorized facility, the helicopter will be dispatched within 30 minutes. Continuous tracking of the aircraft and patient monitoring provides even greater levels of safety. This ADMA OPCO helicopter emergency medical service delivers a dedicated and enhanced emergency medical response to support the ADNOC Group of companies, ensuring the safety of staff working at both offshore and onshore locations.